Do you snore? Or is your family complaining that you snore? Do you wake up very tired and have a lot of daytime sleepiness? Then you may have a sleep apnea. Here is the list of all signs and symptoms that patients may have if they have sleep apnea. You may want to capture that with your screen share. If you have any of those signs, please talk to your doctor and get a sleep study. You can get either home sleep study or you can get a inpatient sleep study, but both of them would be very important to really prevent all the side effects from sleep apnea that we talked in a previous video. Please follow me for more, like this video and share it with others.